Okay, we're going outside. Come on, Nina. Come on. Hi, Mom.
Hey.
Okay, come on. Come on.
I'm not sure how you're gonna make it beyond the patio.
I don't either. We're stuck. Uh-oh. Hold on, lift your little leg. And this one. Okay, let's go. Let's go, Nina. I know, sorry. Look at her go.
Huh?
I said, look at her go. It's okay, go ahead.
Там она все провалится, ты ее как-нибудь туда перетащи.
Well, she's got to pee sometime. Maybe she could pee here. Come on, Nina, let's go. This is fun. Come on.
Поставь ее туда, неси ее на дорогу, там меньше этого снега.
Let's go, little baby. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. All right, we're going. Okay. All right. Okay, we're going. We almost made it to the end of the driveway. I don't think you can tell. See this big hump? See my feet? Oh, man. Okay. All right. Here we go, little baby. Come on.